So, Jimmy the Jet Trail Prophet here. Let's just take a closer look. Nah, I'm not leaving. Shoot all you want. Alright, check that out. Alright, I'm going to pause. And we're going to come back. And if folks' attention span is good enough, we are going to see what this looks like in a few minutes. Alright, Jimmy the Jet Trail Prophet back. Oop, a hawk or something over there. And check this out. I just moved over a little bit to get behind where we were before, okay? So here's where we are now. Let's zoom in. And this is just 5 minutes ago. Whoop, look at that thing flying. I'm zoomed all the way in. I have about 2 minutes of space left. Look at this cluster of whatever here. That's a different kind of cluster other than that flat, foggy looking wall. Alright, I'm going to go back over here for a moment. Wow, look at that, look at that. That cage is messing up my focus. Look at that, folks. And here's what we got over here. And we got blue behind us. And all kinds of cloud fragments from a weird storm today. Just all kinds of weird clouds that just don't seem to match up. And look at that. Alright, zoom in one more time here. Check it out, check it out. Can't stop sky watching now. Wow. Oh, it's changing, it's changing. Boom. Look at that, folks. It's a little bit of a long video, but I'm having a hard time wanting to stop. So that's pretty much where the sun sets, right there. Alright, it says out of space, so I'm going to have to cut this. Alright, later, folks. Jimmy the Jet Trail Prophet out. Later, folks. Jimmy the Jet Trail Prophet out. Skywatcher Earthlings.